Hello everyone, this is Payal Sehgal. Today's episode is very special to me because I'm going to be showing you a yoga aasan with my daughter. That's Kiaraah Sehgal Suri, and she's 7 years old and she loves doing yoga with me. And today we both are going to show you how to do a headstand.
Yeah, easy peasy. Because I am a gymnast, guys. You know that?
Let's do it.
Yay, girl power.
So let's talk about benefits of headstand. Headstand has lots of benefit, including it improves blood flow in your head, scalp, eyes. It releases stress. It helps you focus, and it helps you build strength in your arms and shoulders, and much more. So let's see how to do a headstand very easily, very basic at home.
Yeah, it's very easy.
So guys, first you will have to sit like this, the way Kiaraah is sitting, and if you're doing the headstand for the first time, for your support, you can take a pillow under your head so that it doesn't strain your head. So the next step is you interlock your fingers.
Go up, go down.
Yes, you interlock your fingers. Now you keep it on the floor, on the pillow where, and yes, like that, and you place your head and grip your head with that. You stretch your legs and push your legs up. Yeah, like that. And try to build that focus against the wall. Hold it till the time you can. And you slowly, once you are done holding to that position, and whenever you feel tired, you can come down. Yeah, easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy.
Step 1. Sit like this in this posture. Now step 2. You put your fingers together, interlock your fingers, fix your head, grip your head in between your fingers, stretch out, stretch your legs and push them up towards the wall. Take some support from the wall and focus and try to stand on your head. You can take a bit support from the wall, but stay focused and try to be in the air as long as you can. As long as you can hold this position, just stay focused. That's the main key. Stay there. Now you roll up, you get up, and you're out of the posture. That's it. Headstand complete. I hope our video helped and you guys will be able to try the headstand at home very easily by following these steps which me and Kiaraah showed you. And guys, it's not really that tough. You just need to be focused. So Kiaraah, what's the main key to stay?
Focus, because the angle can't come that great, but be focused. Just don't get distracted by anything.
True that. So to
Girl power.
see you next time, guys.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Stay home. Stay safe.